Hello friends, today I will introduce you one of the most powerful digestive and terminative drug of Ayurveda named as Jatrak. Its Mukhya Karam is Deepan. Its botanical name is Plumbago xylanica. It's belong to the family Plumbaginaceae and its synonyms are Agnika, Jaran, Ushna and Deepak. Next, we will talk about its habitat. It is mainly found in South Indian states like Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, and as well as in Uttar Pradesh. The next is varieties. It has total three varieties. First is Shwet Chitraka, that is Plumbago xylanica. Second is Rakta Chitraka, that is Plumbago rosea. And third is Nil Chitraka, that is Plumbago capensis. The next one is morphology. Habitat is perennial herb. If we come on stem, the length is 1.5 to 4 feet, that is woody, spreading, terete and striate. If we come on leaves, the length is 4.7 centimeter and breadth is 2 to 4 centimeter. Its petioles are very short and narrow. The flowers are white in color, which have corolla tube near about 2 to 2.5 centimeter. If we talk about fruit, the fruit is oblong and pointed. They have pericarp, which is thin at below and hard at the above, as per shown in the slide. Next, we will talk about its useful part. Its useful part is root and its root bark. Next is Rasa Panchaka. Ras is Katu, Gun is Tikshna, Virya is Ushna, and Vipak is Katu. Next, we will talk about its phytoconstituent. First one is isoxylenone, second one is allopurinol, third one is plumbaxylenine, fourth one is naphthalene, fifth one is valenic acid, sixth one is plumbagic acid, seventh one is xylenone, and eighth one is steroidal glycoside. If we talk about its action on doshas, then due to its hot potency, or we can say Ushna Virya, it is Kapha and Vatshamak. Next, we will talk about its karma. It is Deepan, Pachan, Kushtagna, Ashogna, Krimigna, Kasar, Grahi, and Shothar. Pharmacological actions are appetizer, digestant, and irritant. It is used in many diseases such as ursh known as piles, switra known as vitiligo, kusht which is mainly known as skin disorders, and atisar which is known as diarrhea. Next is doses, that is matra for Multvak churn, that is 0.5 to 1 gram. And last we will talk about its formulation. First one is Chitrakadi Gutika, which is used in Grahani and Atisar. Second one is Chitrakadi Grit, which is used in Arsh and Shoth. Third one is Chitrakadi Churn, which is used in Amvat. Fourth one is Chitrakadi Haritaki, which is used mainly in Kasa and Penis. This video is represented by Simran Soni under the guidance of Dr. Mahesh Dadij and Dr. Nahesh Bhargav, Department of Dravya Gunam, MSM Institute of Ayurveda. Thank you for watching this and have a nice day.